If you are working in an office right now, there is a chance your job might not exist in the next 5 years. And no, this is not science fiction. By 2030, artificial intelligence will change India more than the internet did. Banks are changing, offices are changing, even small businesses are changing. The real question is, are you safe? Stay till the end because I will also tell you which jobs AI cannot replace easily. AI is no longer the future, it's already here. Companies are using tools from OpenAI, Google, Microsoft. Today, AI can answer customer service calls, write emails, create designs, analyze large data, generate videos, even write code. Earlier, companies need 10 employees to handle work. Now, 3 employees plus AI can do the same job. And companies are care about one thing, cost reduction. That's why many industries are silently shifting. Let's talk honestly. Here are the jobs that are at risk. Data entry jobs. AI can read documents. AI can scan invoices. AI can update Excel sheets automatically. Manual typing jobs are decreasing rapidly. Call center executives. AI voice bots are becoming more humans. They can speak multiple languages. They don't take breaks. They don't get tired. Many companies are already testing AI based support systems. Basic graphic designers. AI tools can now create logos, thumbnails, posters in seconds. Clients who earlier paid designers are now experimenting with AI tools. But remember, basic design is at risk. No high level creation direction. Junior accountants. As someone who worked in accounting before, I can say this honestly. Automation software now handles GST calculations, report generation, tax analysis. If someone only knows manual accounting, that's risky. But if you combine accounting plus AI tools, you become powerful. Content writers. AI can write blogs, captions, and product descriptions very fast. Basic content writing jobs are decreasing globally. But listen carefully, AI is not replacing humans, it is replacing people who refuse to upgrade. If you don't learn new tools, if you don't improve skills, then yes, AI become a threat. But if you learn how to use AI, it becomes your assistant. The future is not AI versus humans. The future is AI plus smart humans. Now let's talk about hope. Here are jobs that are safer. Counselor and mental health professionals. AI can give information, but it cannot truly understand human pain. Emotional intelligence is powerful. Human connections matters. Strategic leaders and decision makers. AI gives data, but leaders make decisions. Judgment, risk taking, responsibility. These requires humans. Skilled technicians. Electricians, mechanics, plumbers. AI cannot physically repair your wiring at home. Skilled trades remain strong. Personal brand creators, YouTubers, influencers, public speakers. People follow personality, not just information. AI can help you create content, but it cannot replace your authenticity. If you are a student in India, start learning AI tools today. If you are working, upgrade your skills every 6 months. Learn communication, problem solving, critical thinking, AI tools related to your field. If you are an accountant, learn AI accounting platform. If you are a designer, master AI design tools. If you are a student, use AI to learn faster. Don't fight technology. Use it. 2030 is not far. The world is changing faster than ever. The question is not will AI replace the jobs? The real question is will you adapt or will you be replaced? Comment below your job role. I will personally reply and tell you whether AI can replace it or not. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs this warning. And I will see you in the next one.